What is wallet? We have wallets in crypto market too. It works like bank accounts and you can store your assets, whether they are tokens or coins. We have two types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are crypto exchange made, like Binance, Free Wallet and BTC Pay. And their private keys encrypted and stored online with your password. These wallets are at risk due to relying on internet connection. Therefore, they are not that secure. So it's better not to store all of your assets there. But cold wallets like MetaMask, Atomic and Trust Wallet are offline, and they store your assets without relying on internet. So, most secure and safe way to store crypto is using cold wallets. Even some of big crypto exchanges store some assets in these wallets for their high security. After purchasing crypto, whatever amount that is to be, you need to store them in your wallet. Now, if you are a trader, it's better to store them in hot wallets. This way, you pay lower fee for each transaction. But if you want to hold your assets for a long time, certainly it's better to store them in your cold wallets. Produced in Rasanet Studio.